I would pick Netsertive because if you do, you're just going to get more bang for your buck. You're going to get more customers in, you're going to get more phone calls, and you're going to hear about people seeing your ads way more if you use Netsertive. I'm Josh Hoffman. I'm the digital marketing manager at the Furniture Store of Kansas. We've done our marketing in the past very traditionally through TV, newspaper, and radio. We moved to digital because we were starting to see a slowdown in the other advertising medium, and we weren't achieving the goals we wanted to anymore with print specifically. That's a really good way to build awareness with an audience, but it's not really good to know who's coming in or that you're getting phone calls because of it. We're getting up to 100 calls from our Netsertive campaign every month. So we wanted to work with someone who specialized in digital and specialized in the category that we sell, and we felt like could better help us achieve what we needed to achieve with it and really knew what they were doing. The return on investment has been great. Since we started with Netsertive, in the first 6 months, we saw a doubling in the number of people that told us, yeah, we bought because we saw your ads online. We're getting 5 times the number of clicks of the industry average. The best part of starting with Netsertive was that it's super easy, and they're really a lot more hands-on and guiding you through what you actually need to be doing and looking at everything and knowing the areas you need to target and what budget you should spend. All of those things, they're really helpful at really knowing what to do in the digital space, which makes it easy. We love our client success manager, Tamara. She does a really good job of managing our account and making sure that we're running the ads that we need to be running and that we get things in on time and that we're always running the most effective thing for us. Their software is analyzing it and making sure that we're in front of the right people and with the right type of ads. They just do a really good job at making changes that I would never even see to make. I would pick them because if you do, you're just going to get more bang for your buck. You're going to get more customers in, you're going to get more phone calls, and you're going to hear about people seeing your ads way more if you use Netsertive.